welcome to my channel. Today I am doing my long awaited office tour or desk tour because my office is not completely done, and I'm so excited about this video, mainly because it is a collab with one of my very best friends here on YouTube. Her name's Terry from the channel Hey It's Terry. A lot of you probably have heard me talk about her before. She is also going to be doing her office tour as well. Her office is so pretty, so you guys make sure you go check it out after you leave here from watching my video. I will leave the link to her video and the link to her channel down in the description box below, and make sure you tell her that I sent you. And if you're here from Terry's channel, I'm so glad you came. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you'll stick around and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I guess I will just go ahead and start with my desk, and I'm going to let you guys know where I got everything, what I use it for, and all that good stuff. Okay, so first over here I have my pens, and I have to use specific pens, so I will kind of show you guys what I use. My favorite pens in the world are these Pilot G2 pens, and they have to be the 1.0, the bold. These are some of my favorite pens as well. These are actually from the Dollar Tree. I talked about these in a Dollar Tree haul not too long ago. I just tried out these pens and they are pretty good. They are Energel by Pentel, and then I just started using the Papermate Inkjoy, and I like those pretty well too. But I just got this little canister for the pens at TJ Maxx. And then moving on over here beside the pen holder, I just have some sticky notes, and I believe I got that from TJ Maxx too. I've had it for a long time. I just don't remember where I got it, but I get everything from TJ Maxx, so most likely. And then I just have this little piece of decor from TJ Maxx. There's stuff falling off of it, but this is from TJ Maxx. I really like that. And then, of course, you have my computer over here. I got my computer from Best Buy, and I do edit some of my videos on this computer, but I like to use my MacBook Pro more because I can actually sit on the couch and edit, but I do use this one from time to time. And then I just made this background for my computer on PicMonkey, and that's also where I edit all of my YouTube thumbnails as well. And then over here I have my microphone, and I have only tried this microphone a time or two. I've never actually uploaded a video and used it because I'm trying to get used to it before I upload a video. I want my videos to be good quality for you guys, so I'm just kind of testing it out right now. But it is the Blue Yeti microphone, and I got the color white because I figured it would match my office. And then right here we just have this girl ball sign. I got this from TJ Maxx as well. This rose gold lamp I believe I got from Target last year, and they had a couple of smaller ones as well. And then I have this candle over here. It's just a coconut smell, and it literally makes the whole room smell so good. I just use it when I'm in the room, so I've had that candle for about a year, but it's one of my favorites. Moving down here underneath my desk, I just have this little mug, and I keep some extra cords in here for my microphone and to charge my keyboard and mouse. And it's just a coffee cup that says "There's a Chance." This is tequila. Tequila is my favorite liquor. When I do drink, I hardly ever drink, but that is my choice. I keep my planner right here. It's just a happy planner, and I do have another planner coming soon. I will show that in a video soon. And then back here, I just have all of my notebooks from since I started YouTube. The green one, I believe, was the very first one I had. And then the pink one, and then the one in the back, I'm still using the one that's got the flowers on it that says notes. I keep every single one of my ideas in there, and I go back from time to time to see if there's anything that I have not filmed yet. And then I also have some file folders over here, and I haven't even used them yet, of course, from TJ Maxx. They're really cute, but I don't have a use for them yet. Pretty soon I will. And then I just have this little thing that I used to keep my pens in, but I got the white one not too long ago, so I just put that one down there. Okay, so moving on to this corner, I just have this dry erase board, and it just has some stuff that I need to do. Film this video that I'm filming now, edit it. It's a collab with Terry, so I have to have her the link by the end of the night. And you know, I'm a procrastinator, so here I am. But that's just what I keep a lot of ideas and to-do lists on. And then I just have this shelf, this rose gold shelf, and I purchased this from TJ Maxx. It was only $19.99, so I thought it was a really, really good deal. And then I just have this picture up here, positive mind, positive vibes, positive life, and I also got that from TJ Maxx. And then moving down to the second shelf, I got this little box from, I believe it was Target, and I just keep some of my tripod pieces and extra letterboard pieces in that. And then I just have my letterboard down here that says Happy August. I got that from the Target Dollar Spot. And moving down here, I just have a candle, a little selfie ring light, and I have this little bag that I keep all of my camera stuff in, my battery charger, and all that good stuff. It's a bag that I got from Clinique one time. And then, of course, over here, I have this light up box that I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. So it's kind of just sitting here unopened. And then I have this rug over here. I cannot remember where I got this rug. It might have been Ross, but I just have that underneath my desk or beside my desk. And then I just have a plain black computer chair. Hopefully I can get a white one soon to match the rest of everything else in the office. And then over here on the other side, I just have my lights that I use, my tripods, ring light, studio lights, just things like that over here. Thank y'all so much for watching my office tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Also, don't forget to check out Terry's video as well, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!